What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna be making that whole smoked turkey. Ha ha! Hey, let's get it. All right, let's get started on this turkey. So this is a 14.5 pound turkey. It has been cleaned and dried. I did not brine it because I was short for time this year, but I am going to inject it. Going to be using this Tony Chachere's, this Creole butter. Normally I make my own. I would take butter and then whatever seasoning I'm going to use and throw that in there with it and inject it. But you know how when you think you got something at home, then you get home, you realize you didn't have it. So I only had 2/3 of a stick of butter, but I needed that to cover the outside of the turkey. So I already had this sitting in the house. So I said, hey, I just had to use that this year. It's gonna work just fine. We've been using that for years. So inside the cavity, I normally use a poultry blend. Once again, they didn't have none. So I did have some leftover green onions. I got some dried rosemary, sage. I even threw some parsley in there and some thyme. We're gonna shove that in there along with, I got an onion that I chopped up and an orange. So since I have dried products, I'm gonna go ahead and stuff this inside. As you can see, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and coat this whole thing with this butter that I melted. So with this butter, this was about 2/3, and I did put some of this Chica Licka Bam Bam seasoning in there, and I took some of the orange juice and poured some of that in there. So we're gonna rub the whole entire turkey. Okay, so you also want to try to peel back some of this skin. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some of this inside. Try to rub some in there without tearing up the skin. I'm trying to get flavor all through this turkey. All right, let's go ahead with the injection. Gonna be using this once again, Tony Chachere's. All right, you want to inject this whole entire turkey, so probably about every 1.5 inches. All right, this is the 2 seasonings we're gonna be using. This usual all-purpose blend from Fire and Smoke. Also gonna be using this Chica Licka Bam Bam chicken rub, which is gonna work great on this turkey. Also from Fire and Smoke. Just go ahead and cover it up. All right, after you season it, go ahead, shove that cavity with them oranges. You can also use lemons. And take a couple pieces of your onions. All right, that's what it looks like after you coat it. We're gonna go ahead and take it to the smoker. We sitting at 275 degrees. Catch you in a second. All right, you guys, it is 6 o'clock in the morning, so it is kind of early, so it's kind of dark, but we're just gonna go ahead, take this whole turkey, lay it in the middle. Like so. And I'm gonna stick this probe in here, in the breast. We're looking for 165 degrees. And that's all it is to it. Catch y'all in a minute. All right, you guys, it's been about an hour and a half. Let me go ahead and show you what we're working with. Go ahead and check that bird out. Oh yeah, we still got a long way to go. I'm just showing you guys the progress. Look at that. Oh, you already know this is gonna be good. Look at that. All right, we're sitting at 106 degrees, so we still got plenty of time left. I'll catch you guys in a minute. All right, I checked the temps on this turkey. We sitting anywhere from 165 to about 175. So that means this bad boy is ready. It's time to take this smoked turkey off of the smoker. All right, you guys, you're gonna have to pardon my resolution. I don't know what happened to my widescreen shot, so we're gonna have to go with this for right now. But bam, there you have it. That smoked whole turkey sitting at 275 degrees on that smoker till we hit 165. Take a look at that. Got them herbs, them onions up in there, them oranges. Man, look at that turkey leg. Man, you just want to rip that thing off. You can still see the smoke ring on that bad boy. But I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Once again, my name is Trey. This is the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. Hey, it's time to eat.